Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you a simple trick in GitHub where you can change the boring look of GitHub to a fancy VS Code look. So to achieve that, I'll just take an example of any random GitHub. Just say React GitHub. Just open the default GitHub of React. What you have to do is just you have to enter 1S after GitHub. That's it. So once it is done, you will be redirected to a fancy page where you will get the entire VS Code kind of look within the browser. So here, what you can do is you can just simply access through these files. And just see what are the changes that are available. So if you like this video, give a like and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.